Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it, 404 not found. So how you can fix this? First of all, you need to check your cables and your router is if your router is good working and if it has no issues and problems. So after you check this, you need to check your network here. Check your Wi-Fi and click on Wi-Fi right button and just open network and internet settings. So here you can also check if your internet is still in connection. So here you can see my internet. You choose here on the left Wi-Fi and here you can see connected and secured if everything good. Also you can try to on and off to switch off your Wi-Fi adapter and just turn it on. So after you try it and if you have again this error, you just need to go to search tab and just write in search tab services. Here you can see it. So just open it and from this you choose. From here you go down, scroll down to Windows Update. Just click on Windows Update. Not Windows Update, but web client. I forget web client. Here you can see it. Just click on it, properties, and here you choose from manual to automatic and you just click start. Click OK and apply. So after you try it, you just need to try again and now your error must be fixed. So just try it. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.